Today, we're bringing 5G to iPhone. 5G. 5G.
5G. 5G. 5G.
5G.
5G. And 5G is going to unlock even more opportunities for our
What does
developers.
5G have to do with a camera?
5G. 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 Verizon 5G.
Well, there you have it. The 2020 5G iPhone 5G event from Verizon iFi. 5G Apple Campus on the 5G.
Previously on TWiT. All about Android.
Got Juan Bagnell in to talk the new Pixel 5, Sony's new Android phones, and the latest TicWatch.
I think from the Pixel 4a to here, it's definitely a step up. The 30 frame per second 4K looks phenomenal.
iOS Today.
You know, it's getting a little, the water is raising in the studio here. So if you just don't mind, we can finish this up. Oh, God.
Hands-on Android.
And you thought that Samsung's devices couldn't get any more customized. Well, Samsung has an app called Good Lock that you want to check out. It'll take it even deeper, and I'm going to show you how to use it next.
This Week in Google.
Google's giving data to police based on search keywords.
Oh, crap.
If you get caught up in something like this, what happens to you as a citizen? What is the burden put upon you to prove your innocence?
But somebody like DuckDuckGo, that's their selling point, right? We de-identify. We don't know who you are. I hope that's true.
Is that where you're doing your fertilizer bomb searches?
TWiT. Unbelievable as always.
5G.
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 5G. 5G. 5G.
5G.
5G. 5G. 5G. 5G.
5G, 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 5G.